So this guy in front of me in this silver Sierra SLE GMC old school, not older truck, just came by me flying. Got some pipes on it too. It's in right here. So let's see if he go race. He want to come by doing like 100. Oh yeah, sketch him. Let's see if he want to race. Yo, appreciate it, bro.
Every time I see something powerful, I like that shit.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah. I knew he was gonna want to run it. Oh man.
One more for the team, dog.
One more for the team?
That's it.
All right, we can do it. Hey, I got a YouTube channel, man. Check it out.
Hey, what is it, brother? Is that it?
Yeah, Kicking It with Q.
Kicking it with Q, brother.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna check that shit out, I swear to God.
All right, yeah, bet.
Hey, put me on that shit.
Oh yeah, you on there, bro?
Hey, Dallas, Texas.
Yeah.
Hey, fuck Corona, quarantine. We out here living the dream.
Yes,
dog.
sir. Yeah.
Hey, dog. Hey, I like your truck. It's powerful, bro.
Appreciate it, bro. You came by me. How fast are you doing back there? I like, oh, this dude flying, bro.
I'm trying to pass up some shit.
You want to hit in this? You want to hit in this turn right here?
No. Hey, wherever we go, look. Come on.
All right. Yeah, man. Some people be sleeping on red, bro. Nah, it's a blow-off valve. Like, watch this. Yeah. Huh? Nah, I got a tune on it.
Yeah, that's sexy, dog.
Appreciate it, bro.
Hey, I'm gonna lift you up.
Yeah, have a good one. All right. I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. It took a while for me to catch traction, man. Trying to record, and then we was coming on the turn, but he wanted to go in. But I love meeting cool people like that, man, who just want to have some fun, bro. He was cool as hell, bro. So shout out to you, man. I hope you subscribe, watch the videos. It was fun running with you, man. He came by me flying, bro. So truck sound good too, man. I saw you over there shifting too. I know you put it, I'm not sure you put it in manual and launched it, whatever. But anyway, a lot of people talk about the Ecoboost. So what he heard, he's like, man, I hear your shit, your truck doing some noise. So that's the blow-off valve. That doesn't give any performance, just the noise. I am tuned, so he was asking me, and I like, yeah, he like to souped up. I like, yeah, it's a tune on here, so it is faster than stock. But anyway, man, that was fun. These Ecoboost engines are fast, man, especially with the tune. Hope y'all enjoyed that, man. Again, shout out to that dude. He was super cool, bro. But I'll catch y'all next time.
For that first mistake, don't come up missing. Don't get it twisted. I'm not Rihanna, but boy, you a gunner. You right on my hit list. Keeping my distance, just checking the listings. I'm always aware of your current position. I just hold out to the perfect condition. Coming alive. Heat of the night. Now is the time. Don't try to hide, cause I'm gonna hold you like an animal. I know you thought it was over. I know you thought it was finished. I know you think I'm a cynic, but you know this only business. People act different as soon as you win it. Man, I know this shit ain't no different. You pull up in cars, you act like it's yours, but we know that shit just rent it. Benefited it down, we the ones that your mommy wants. You about, should've stayed in the house, don't open your mouth. We lurk in the swamps like we in the south, so count your days. Hold up, let me count the ways you gon' pay. When I spot you, I'm coming straight through to your face, no foreplay, so don't come up missing. Don't get it twisted. I'm not Rihanna, but boy, you a gunner, you right on my hit list. Keeping my distance, just checking the listings. I'm always aware of your current position. I just hold out to the perfect condition. Coming alive. Whoa.